This is the 2026 GEYA 7X, a Chinese luxury electric SUV, and I got something special for you. This is GEYA, a Chinese luxury watch brand. So let me go inside and talk about it. A few days ago, I got some comment, hey bro, what kind of watches are you wearing? So this gives me a new idea, so why not I connect with some Chinese watch brand and share their products with you. So this is GEYA. They have been established in 1993 and their headquarters is in Shenzhen. A moment for life. So this is the slogan. More than 2,600 stores here in China, and they are also selling this brand in globally. So let's check it out. So first we got a card here. Everything has been introduced in English. So the case wide will be 46 millimeter and the thickness is 22 millimeter. Wow. And the weight is 100 gram, and it's a mechanical watch. Now what else we get? We'll get this kind of warranty card, 2 years international warranty. Why is that? As I mentioned it, they're selling this brand not only here in China, also they're selling in global market. So you'll get 2 years warranty card direct from the manufacturer, and we'll get another card here. It's also in English. This is a Chinese watch brand, but everything has been introduced in English, so I like it. This is very important. Now we came to the main part. Wow, I like this. This is so futuristic. It's a mechanical watch, and look at the color. I like this wheels movement. Wow, as we mentioned it, that is 46 millimeter and thickness is 22 millimeter. They have different colors, different series. You can choose the Great Wall Dragon series, you can choose the Glory series, G-Max series, but this one is more futuristic, so I love this. And you will also get the genuine leather. This is good. You also have another belt. This is also the leather one, the black one. So if you want to buy this watch or if you want to buy any of their product, I will give you the link in the description below. And also you can use the discount code CCR to get more discount on it. I'm wearing this watch. Look, it's so pretty. I like this design. It's very futuristic. And it's a mechanical watch. China has a lot of good product. As you see this vehicle 5 years, 6 years ago, people were laughing at them, but now they're dominating the whole EV market, and people are crazy for Chinese EVs. This is one of the Chinese watch brand. They're also doing very well here in China, but the global marketing policy is different, so it's very difficult for the global clients to know about it. We are not familiar with them, and I will try to introduce some good product to you. And if you want, you can check their website. I usually wear different kind of watches, but this is something very futuristic. It's open face design. The price will be 600 to 900 US dollar, and I think it's very reasonable because there are the quality. I like it, and this is the 7X. Starting price is 32,000 US dollar. So China has all kind of product now. If you pay money, you will get the good stuff. So if you want to buy this 7X, you can send me a message in my WhatsApp number. My team will give you all the details and will help you out to buy this vehicle from China. And if you want to buy this beautiful watch, you can just click the link in the description below, and you can use the discount code CCR to get this wonderful watch. Just the same one, or if you want, you can choose the different style. So that's pretty well. We'll share more new vehicles later and more new good product in the future. I will introduce you. So keep helping me to subscribe my channel. Until then, bye bye.